years. I don't know what took me so long to get back onto YouTube. I don't know, I got unmotivated, but I'm really excited to be back on here. This morning I went to a 5 a.m. class at Spenga. It's a spin, strength, and yoga class, and I feel like $1,000,000. And thankfully I was able to ask my boss to take the morning off because I feel a little burnt out from the week, honestly. It's just been really hectic. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead to Juice Laundry and grab a smoothie and probably grab one for my colleague as well. So yeah, come on. Someone totally just watched me do that. So I got this amazing Coco Verde smoothie bowl and I can't wait to chow down on that. And then I got my friend a Bradley's, I think, CB&J. It's like a cashew, strawberry, banana, date goodness. It's totally all over my shirt too. Oh well. Hey again, so it's 12 o'clock. I just got off work. I am parked in front of the Holly's Nails, the nail salon that I'm going to. I used to go to this spot all the time, but they're always busy. There's literally someone walking by right now and I'm really awkward. I don't know what to do. So this is my current situation right now, but I'm gonna try like a cobalt blue or like an electric blue because that's definitely my summer. It's definitely my summer color right now. It just brings so much joy and happiness to my life. Last summer it was like nudes and whites and browns, just like very neutral colors. But this summer, I don't know, I just want to get out of my comfort zone and wear color and be vibrant because that's how I'm feeling. So I will see you guys after. He killed it. Today is the next day and I'm getting ready to go to the farmer's market. Kelly and I are going to the farmer's market. Kelly, do you want to say hi?
Hi!
Parking was a little bit complicated, but we figured it out. Wow. Sorry. You're fine. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So Kelly and I are going to the other farmer's market that's literally like 10 feet away. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So this is it. Alright, let's go. Kelly, which one should I get? This one's really cute. Wow. It's beautiful. This is very dangerous. Well, be careful. Yes. So, didn't have a vase, but no problem. We found whatever this is. So got some flowers from the farmer's market. Kelly, what did you get? Blueberries. I'm gonna cut these up and put them in here. I think Michael will be pleasantly surprised when he comes back from San Diego and sees the flowers here in this vase. It's gonna be such a vibe. Is it a vase or a vase?